Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 430d Gran Coupe here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the optional extras and spec we have on this stunning vehicle. So starting with the outside, of course you will see it's got the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. So on this particular Gran Coupe we've gone for the gloss black kidney grills, the satin front splitter. We've also just fitted the 405M replica alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. They are the 20-inch versions. We've also got the BMW Xenon and Angel Eye headlamps. This vehicle does benefit from having the N pushback, so it does inherit the much larger front brakes and rear brakes, as well as a few other optional extras which we'll get through in just a moment. We have the gloss black air breather on the front wings. We have the satin side vinyls, sidebars and performance decals. We have got the privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather. Also has the electric function on both front seats, as well as the memory function on the driver's side. Harman Kardon as part of the Plus pack with Logic 7. We have the aluminium hexagon trim with the Estral blue inserts. In the rear of the vehicle, it's all very nice and tidy, much like the rest of the vehicle. It also is, of course, all ISOFIX ready. Moving to the rear, where you'll find your gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser, and of course the automatic tailgate opening and closing, which comes as standard on the Gran Coupes, and your huge boot space, which is just one of the many good features about the 4 Series Gran Coupes. The seats do also fold down, should you require extra room at any point. Give you a nice close-up view of the 405M alloy wheels and your rear M brakes. Okay, so getting on into the driver's side, where you can see the memory functions for the driver's side seat. We also have power fold mirrors. We have the multifunction M Sport steering wheel with the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, and I'll carry on inside and talk you through some of the other interior features and options. As well as the seats being electric, we also have heated seats in the front. We have the superb BMW professional wide navigation and media. So there's the nav screen. It is the updated facelift diodrive, so we have quite a few more features built within that. We have Bluetooth communications and media, and a wide array of multimedia inputs including DAB. We have cruise control with speed limiter, voice activation, voice controls, volume controls. Another one of the features on this particular vehicle, which is quite a rare option, is the heated steering wheel. As you can see there, we can turn the steering wheel heating on and off, just using the little button down the side here. Especially this time of year, it is a very nice feature to have, alongside with the heated seats. The vehicle itself has only covered just over 29,000 miles, as you can see there, which means of course it has only had to have one service, which we have got the service record for, which as you can see there, and it's not due another service for 6,000 miles if my memory serves me right. Yep, there we have it, 6,000 miles, and everything in the service requirements is in green. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video for the 430d Gran Coupe in mineral grey. Some lovely optional extras on this Gran Coupe. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Most of all, we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you, take care, bye bye.